In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Google Drive files like a pro in n8n. 2025, we're building a simple, reliable automation that watches your Gmail inbox for new messages, pulls out any attachments, and files them into a clearly named Google Drive folder. By the end, you'll have a hands-off system that keeps your files organized the moment they arrive. We start by setting up a Gmail trigger that automatically checks your inbox every minute. As soon as a new email lands, the workflow kicks off. The trigger can also download attachments immediately, which is useful because it prepares those files for everything that follows. Make sure the account you connect has permission to read emails and access attachments. Right after the trigger, we add a filter to confirm the email actually includes attachments. If it doesn't, the workflow stops there. This small check saves time and resources, preventing the rest of the process from running when there's nothing to save. Next, we use a Gmail node to fetch the full details of the email using the message ID passed from the trigger. This ensures we have the complete content and confirms that all attachments are properly downloaded. It's also a great way to capture useful metadata like the subject line, which we'll use to name the destination folder. Because a single email can contain multiple files, we then split the attachments so each one is processed individually. Handling them one by one keeps things tidy and avoids errors that can happen when multiple files are bundled together. Now we create a new folder in Google Drive to store this email's attachments. The folder name combines the email subject with the current date and time for clarity. For example, motion, email subject, date. This makes it easy to search later, and it prevents different emails with similar subjects from mixing their files. To connect the dots, we merge the attachment data with the newly created folder information. This step gives each file a precise destination, so the upload that follows knows exactly where to put it. Finally, we upload each attachment to the folder created for that email. Each file is saved separately, preserving the original names and formats. When everything is done, you'll find a neatly organized folder in Drive containing every attachment from that message. That's it. Send yourself a test email with a couple of files to confirm the flow. If nothing uploads, double-check the filter in the folder naming. Once it's working, you can forget about manual downloads and sorting. Your inbox will organize itself.